In today's video, I'll show you how to download and activate the WooCommerce plugin to turn your WordPress site into a fully functioning online store. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Plugins and then Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and press Enter. Once you find the official plugin, click Install Now, and after installation, click Activate. Once activated, the WooCommerce setup wizard will launch automatically. Follow its step-by-step guide to configure your store details, currency, shipping, and tax options. It makes setting up your store simple and ensures everything is ready for your customers. And that's it. WooCommerce is now installed and activated on your WordPress site. You're ready to start adding products, setting up payments, and selling online